If you need to extract a GeoG installer, this video will walk you through the process step by step using a free tool called Innoextract. This is a quick and useful method if you want to access the files inside a GOG setup executable, especially when you're troubleshooting, backing up content, or just checking what's included in the installer. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. First, you need to download the latest version of Innoextract from the official Innoextract website. It's always best to use the official source so you know you're getting the correct and safest version of the tool. Once the download is complete, install it or extract it depending on the file format you received. Next, you need to prepare your installer files. Create one folder on your computer and place your GeoG installer executable, the .exes file, into that folder. If your game has additional .bin files, which is very common for larger GeoG game installers, make sure those files are in the exact same folder too. This is important because Innoextract needs to find all the related files in one place to work properly. Also, make sure you do not rename any of the files. Keep the original file names exactly as they are. Renaming them can cause extraction to fail because the tool is looking for the matching installer and data files by name. Once everything is in the same folder, it's time to run the extraction command. Open Command Prompt on Windows, or Terminal if you're on another system, and navigate to the folder where your installer files are located. You can do this by using the cd command, followed by the folder path. After you're in the correct directory, type the extraction command carefully. The command is innoextract-gog setup_game_name.exe. Now, replace setup_game_name.exe with the actual name of your GOG installer file. Make sure the spelling matches exactly, including the file extension. Then press Enter to run the command. Innoextract will begin reading the installer and extracting the contents into a new folder. Depending on the size of the game and your computer's speed, this may take a little while. Just let the process finish and don't close the terminal until it's done. When the extraction is complete, you should see the unpacked files in the output folder, created by the tool. From there, you can review the extracted content and use it as needed. And that's how to extract a GeoG installer using Innoextract. It's simple, fast, and very useful once you know the basic steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide.